This is Nora from Drillmaster. As you can see, I am in Drillmaster factory specified to manufacture drilling tools right now. A batch of drilling buckets and temporary casing is ready to be shipped to overseas buyers. We turn prospects into clients, show utmost sincerity, and win satisfaction. Placing an order is the client's way of saying that we are trustworthy. Your trust is the first step drives to do even better. These orders prove Drillmaster's strength, and the repurchase rate highlights our clients favor our products for their high quality. Trust us, let Drillmaster perfectly solve your drilling problems. Let's go!